Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. And I know I say that every time there's a short video and then it's a long one, but it is late outside and I spent most of the day outside plowing snow and using my snowblower here too, because we got a big snowstorm finally here in Utah. And a couple of years ago, was it years ago? I don't know. I'll put a link in. I put a video out about my snowblower here. And then I wanted to show the snowblower in action because a lot of people asked me about it. And yeah, it never snowed enough to do it. And finally we are there and it snowed a lot. And I have some footage for you right here. And after the footage, we'll come back here and we'll talk a little bit more about it. It cut a nice walk here through the grass, and right now it's 24 degrees cold and it's slightly frozen, and the blower still has enough power to cut right through. So I hope this helps a little bit for all the ones that asked me how it works and if it still works. So what I'm going to do is I will do a walkway through the yard here around, and yeah, I'll keep going with it. And really nice to have the heated handlebars here too. So how was that? So the snowblower here, I still like it, you know, and I got some people asking me what model it is, and I don't know what else to tell you about this. It's the Platinum 24 SHO, super high output. It's like the Ford Taurus. Some people said the show. I bet it's not the show. Ariens there is the brand, and this one here is rated. It has 17 foot-pounds of torque, you know, so it's in a pretty good thing. It was the biggest one they had back then. It's a pretty big engine on there, and you can start it electric there, like I showed that in my other video, and you can just pull start it, which I do. I try to keep it clean. And yeah, it was outside a couple times. It's a little faded on some spots, but still looks pretty good. I would recommend that you spray some lubricant or something inside sometimes so that the ice doesn't stick and everything stays nice and smooth. Also read the manual and lubricate it, and do your oil changes obviously on your snowblower. So far, how long have we had this snowblower here? I don't remember how long. Man, it's been some years and never had any issue with it. So it says easy launch on it. That's kind of fun. So it has an electronic fuel injection, which is kind of nice, you know, and it also does auto turns. So when you turn, it automatically turns the way you want to go, and that is really nice, you know. And it does a really good job with that too. The heated handlebars are nice. Everything else you can watch in my older video. I'll put the link of the old video in description, and then you can look at that so you can see how it works. I'm not going to turn it back on now, but I know it would work if I turned it on, because it's been sitting for a long time. I haven't even used it at all this year, and it started right up. Now, there's a battery in it. Sometimes you have to charge that battery, and I did that, so that's important. Because if that battery goes bad, that thing here won't start at all for some reason. The electronic fuel injection is a little stubborn. I don't know exactly how that works, but keep that battery charged. Start it from time to time. Even in the summer, you can do that. And then some people say let it run empty without any gas in it, or others say put gas in it and put some additives in it. So that's up to you what you want to do. So we have a lot of snow outside, at least 8 inches. It's not a lot, but you know, it came within a couple hours, so that was a little tough. And now it got cold, so there's a lot of ice on the road. So the conditions weren't very good. I was on the road with the Tesla, which performed really well, by the way. If you're interested in that, watch some Tesla videos, and you can find out the town car would perform okay, but it's too nice, and yeah, that I don't want to take it out in the I don't want to take it out in the snow. So I will be 20 years old next year. So, all right, guys, I wish you a wonderful evening, and thanks for tuning in, and thanks for your interest in my channel and in the snowblower this time. So do me a favor, if you like this, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me, and yeah, and you won't forget when there's a new video coming out. All right, have a good night.